Neem can heal your body, or harm it if you prepare it the wrong way. People have used neem for centuries, but one common mistake can cause stomach pain, dizziness, or worse. So before you drink neem, watch this first. Neem is known for supporting digestion, fighting bacteria, improving skin, and boosting immunity. But neem is very powerful, which is why preparation matters more than quantity. Let's do it the safe, traditional way. Always use fresh neem leaves or food-grade dried neem leaves. Never use neem meant for pesticides or farming. Wash the leaves thoroughly to remove dust and chemicals. This step alone prevents most side effects. Take 5 to 7 fresh neem leaves, not more. Add them to warm water, not boiling water. Let it soak for 8 to 12 hours, usually overnight. In the morning, strain the water. Do not blend or boil the leaves unless guided by a professional. This keeps neem effective but gentle. Drink only half a cup on an empty stomach. Do this 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Neem works best in small amounts. More is not better. Avoid neem if you're pregnant, trying to conceive, or on medication. Always check first. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow for more natural health wisdom you can trust. Because when it comes to herbs, knowledge is protection.